Hey there, health enthusiasts. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and that means delicious meals and quality time with family. But let's be real. It can also mean overeating, food comas, and heartburn. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple tips to help you enjoy the feast without the discomfort. Subscribe to this channel and let's go. First up, start with small portions. Instead of piling your plate high, take a little bit of everything. You can always go back for seconds if you're still hungry. This way you can enjoy every dish without overeating. Next, eat slowly and mindfully. Take your time, savor the flavors, and engage in conversation. Eating slowly helps your body signal when it's full, preventing that dreaded food coma. Stay hydrated, drink water throughout the day, especially before the big meal. This helps you feel fuller and reduces the temptation to overeat. And after the meal, go for a short walk. A post-meal stroll can aid digestion and ease any discomfort. Plus, it's a great way to catch up with family members. Now let's talk about preventing indigestion and heartburn. Limit trigger foods like fatty or spicy dishes, alcohol, and caffeine. If you're prone to heartburn, go easy on rich or acidic foods. Try to avoid eating too late. Plan your Thanksgiving meal earlier in the day to give your body plenty of time to digest before bedtime. And keep antacids handy. If you tend to get heartburn, having them nearby can provide quick relief. For those with dietary restrictions, communication is key. Let your host know your needs in advance or bring a dish that suits you. This ensures you have something safe to enjoy without stress. If you're hosting, offer inclusive options like vegetable platters or gluten-free sides. Labeling dishes helps guests with allergies or restrictions feel at ease. Thanksgiving can be delicious and enjoyable for everyone with a little planning. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Happy Thanksgiving!